Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the equilibrium condition under the indifference curve approach. We already discussed the indifference curve and budget line. By merging these two curves, we analyze the consumer equilibrium with the indifference curve. A consumer equilibrium is a point where consumer get maximum satisfaction with given income and he has no urge to change his state. According to the indifference curve approach, a consumer will be at equilibrium when the following two conditions are satisfied. When MRS means margin rate of substitution is equal to budget line, that is Px upon Py, that is slope of a price line. It means margin rate of substitution must be equal to ratio of price of the two goods. And the consumer attain equilibrium at a point where the budget line is tangent to the indifference curve. Next, MRS must be decreasing, that is indifference curve should be convex to the point of origin. Let two goods X and Y, that is MRA X Y means the numbers of unit of Y and the consumer is willing to sacrifice getting one extra unit of X, that is Px upon Py is the ratio of the price in the market, which is also equal to the ratio of unit Y required to sacrifice for getting one extra unit of X. So both the conditions need to be fulfilled to attain a consumer equilibrium. To show the consumer equilibrium graphically, two basic tools means indifference map, that is set of indifference curve representing the scale of preference, and budget line representing the money, income and price of two goods are required. The aim of the consumer is to obtain the highest combination on his indifference map, and therefore he tried to go to the highest indifference curve with his given budget line. He would be equilibrium only a such point which common to both the budget line and highest attainable indifference curve. Consumer equilibrium is the point line where budget line is tangent to indifference curve. Here Q is that point in the figure. Q is the equilibrium point where both the conditions are fulfilled simultaneously. The equilibrium choice is only point Q, which is a point of tangency of budget line with indifference curve. At this point, the slope of indifference curve is equal to the slope of budget line, or MRX XY is equal to Px upon Py. At a point Q, the consumer achieves state of equilibrium. The equilibrium purchase is OM of good X and OL of good Y in the on indifference curve. And it is in a state of equilibrium, the consumer is buying OL amount of good Y and OM amount of good X. It is here that he is maximize his satisfaction. Any departure from his point would only means lesser satisfaction. There is assumptions of equilibrium condition under the indifference curve approach. The first, the consumer is rational. Second, utility is ordinal. Third, consumer has the monotonic preference. Fourth, price of the goods and income of the consumer is fixed. And fifth, consumption of at least two goods must be there. Thank you.